lalakad.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Ang sarap maligo sa ilog. Hello! Kumusta ang experience sa ilog? Malamig ba? Hindi, nagjo-joke lang ako. Hindi pa tayo uwi. Dito na tayo matutulog.
Magpo-float ka na ilas ko, mami. Panobo ka na?
So, ito yung mga pamangking ko. May baon pang tabo. Kaninong tabo to? Uy, masarap.
Ay, madami ka na kuha, ma?
Makapagkangkong sila. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, baby. Hi, you ay. Hello. Masarap ba mag-swimming sa ilog?
Ay, sa bagay.
Siyempre vlogger ang lola.
Ano ko po, si Lola. Ayan na, hayo ay. Ayaw na nilang mag-ano. Sabi ko, uwian na, ayaw. O, dito lang na matutulog. Ayaw.
Tara na, uwi na.
Ayaw ko pa? Oo nga, matulog ka. Ito na para matutulog. Ano mo, yan yung tenga mo. Tapos po.
Alright. Experience natin. Ang tubig. Ay. Sarap. Ooh, real 60.
Ay, magalit dito. Wala ka siya. Yung maliit? Yung parang... yung maliit lang?
Okay, mga kasamit. Ano ba to? Hulaan natin. Itlog ng ano to? Na?
May isda, oh. Minsan may isda. Ayun, ang daming isda, oh.
Talaga?
Minsan may isda, oh.
Sige, tingnan nga natin.
Oo, may isda. Mabilis sila. May isda. Yun, oh. Oo. Ayun. Ang dami nila doon maliliit. Siguro, bull.
Nabubulabog.
Ay, hindi. Maliliit ito. Maliliit siya.
Nauulam ba to mga kasamit?